Is this how people see you? Is this how your mom and dad see you? Is this how your friends see you? Is this how your church sees you? That you're chaos? That all these little things you're doing, they show up and you can see them, right? Well, sometimes we need to dial the binoculars back, because this left front part of the brain is the one that makes people be like, hey. All right? So Jesus is on the other part of the brain, the back right. So if you want to take somebody who's chaotic, you don't point a finger at them. You open your hand and you pick them up. You kiss them. You hold them. You tell them that there is a God. And then you don't criticize them. Don't talk about the way people look. I love you, but don't do that, because you're one step away from being ugly yourself. So if you got chaos in your life, pick somebody up, hold them, hug them, kiss them, and make them whole again. It's because I love y'all.